Very good evening, friends. Warm welcome to webinar series from Eduhome Connect. Myself, Muhammad Asthaf, your faculty for cost accounting at Eduhome. Now, today we are coming up with you have just 12 days for your exam, I know. So, at this moment, we are coming up with a last minute strategy for your June 2025 exam. We know majority of students now in a small stress. So lot of topic are there. How many chapters are there, sir? Material, labor, overhead, direct expense, joint venture, process costing, contract costing, product, batch costing, job costing, marginal costing, standard costing, budgeting. Sir, we are very confusion which chapter to focus, which chapter we have to make it because lesser time is there. Can you suggest a good strategy? Yes, lot of students are asking us. So we thought of coming up with a webinar for the benefit of students fraternity so that let them get benefit out of this strategy. So my dear friends, we are in this short webinar. I know you have just 12 days. So I won't make any formal webinar format. We'll make very short. We'll discuss what is required, what is the best strategy for you to crack this June 2025 exam. First of all, I hope all of you know about your current exam pattern. Maybe major friends may be rating their exam first time. Those friends who are rating first time, for your information, I'm just giving that you have section A 15 into 2 50 mark MCQ question, and we have section B descriptive question. In this section A 15 into 2 30 mark MCQ, there is no negative mark. No negative mark. And you have to write like OMR model, you have to mark it. That's all. Majority students will do one mistake here. Since majority friends are maybe rating group one first step, they will think that section some question they feel oh very easy. What I learned, similar question came. So I will crack those questions first. So they will write that time. But in somehow in some question, if you trap, if you getting delayed, what will happen? At the end, the MCQ time will be very limited. So you have to rush the MCQ that will help, that will make negatively on your total aggregate. My dear friends, you might be aware about, or maybe after exam result coming, lot of friends or students are approaching us and telling that, sir, when the results are coming, I expected this much mark, but I don't get such mark. The examiner having a power, they are only rewarding the mark. But in MCQ, no one can do anything, friends. If you written option A is the correct answer and A is the correct, then you will reward 2 mark. No one can reduce. That means if MCQ, if 15 out of 15 is correct, you will get 30 mark. See, your pass mark, if I consider as a 50, just 20 mark you want extra only from the rest of the questions. So, my dear friends, MCQ is very important. So, while you start answering your answer, please start answering with MCQ. Please write answer MCQ. I know some questions you may feel difficulty. That you written later, no problem. But which all the question you know, if you work out, if you get it, take time and do it. You know, average time is 1.8 minutes. For 15 MCQ, you are getting 230 mark. So 30 into 1.8, you have 54 minutes is there, 1 hour. But we require only half an hour in the beginning if you start. So we are getting extra time. But what students they will do? See how this 1.8 friends that is 100 mark question 180 minutes. That is 180 minutes, 100 mark. One question you will get 180, 1.8 minutes. But what happened students now? 2.5 hours they will work on all the things. Last half an hour they will try to work out. See, 54-minute proportion is there, but 30 minutes only will take. But the problem is what at the end half an hour, pressure will come, heating will come, we'll do small silly mistakes. So start beginning. If you find any answer is out, you don't write that, you can write later also, you can mark in pencil also, not a problem. And you ask your invigilator latest any changes also, because institute sometimes make changes that you have to write answer also. Mostly they will give IMS, you can mark their answer is over. So hope you are clear how you have to approach MCQ. Some friends saying me, sir, how the question you have to approach MCQ, that I will tell at the end. Now we are coming into section B main area. See, major friends have a doubt that, Sir, which chapter I have to focus? How I have to focus? Can you please help us? See, in your in your group one, there is a big strategies there. Initially, you may be learned a lot of class on material, labor, overhead. But when you go for exam, it is all about strategy. In section B, we have 7 questions. Section B, we will have what? 7 questions. Out of the 7 questions, we have to answer only 5. That we have can left out 2 choices. That means best of the 5 only you have to answer out of the 7. That means you will get some time or you can have some options also. So in this last 10 minutes, you are in this last 12 days for exam, I want to come such a webinar to make you more confident approaching the exam. Make your time plan very well because lot of friends are feeling, sir, how many days I have to plan for all these subjects? I am lot of worry whether I have to focus on theory, whether I have to focus on problem, what I have to do. My dear friends, section B, whether it is a problem or theory, everything I am going to tell you. This is the exam decoding series released by Eduhome Connect. This is we have done for all the subjects. You can able to get for all the subjects from our Instagram and Telegram pages. There is Telegram and WhatsApp channel. So coming to the question, my different question number 2. We have total 7 questions. That is 2 to 8. So this question number 2, it is you have 14 mark. 14 mark. So this 14 mark question you will get either from material chapter or from labor chapter or from cost sheet. That means some exam material plus cost sheet will come. Some exam material plus labor will come. Some exam cost sheet plus material come. Some exam material plus that is labor plus cost sheet. That means there is no certainty that everything will come. In material also, if you learn, you have a lot of topic. Economic order quantity is there, stock level is there, inventory turnover ratio is there. Then you have stores ledger, FIFO, LIFO. Lot of area. In labor and all, how many formula, my dear friends? Labor we have formula of what? Halsey, Rowan, Merrick, gang task, the labor turnover rate, a lot of areas. So, my dear friends, all these area, one question will come. Material labor, one question will come. That is the first area. Now, coming into next area, 3A, you will get from overhead chapter. This is from overhead. But in overhead also, if you go through, my dear friends, there is a area called apportionment, reapportionment, then absorption, then we have machine hour calculation, under absorption, over absorption treatment, all these areas, any one concept will come for one question. Then here only overhead only. So here the problem is what? Profit reconciliation, integrated audited, job costing, batch costing. If you learn all this, any one only will come. Correct, friends? Now I am going to make you the happy news for you. I am going to make you the happy news. If you learn operating costing chapter alone, you will get 7 marks. If you learn operating chapter alone, we'll get 7 marks. Sir, operating costing, what will come? 3 area only testing. Mostly they will test transport. Goods or passenger, mostly passenger transport. Hotel room. Hotel room and all coming very, very easy. You can easily scrap. You can easily score. Otherwise, contract costing. See, contract, not otherwise. Otherwise, in operating costing, you have another area called hospitals. So, major 5 questions if you practice, that is enough. No need. But when it comes to this area for getting this 7 mark, what role you have to learn? You have to learn profit reconciliation, you have to learn integrated, you have to learn non-generated, you have to learn job costing, you have to learn batch costing. See, 5 topics you have to learn, but 5 questions you practice, you can score 7 marks, which is good. Understand? See, that doesn't mean that if you already prepared good only, because 2 mark question purpose, we know all these things. So we want to know all these things, but revision, practice, you have to go on operating costing 7 mark. Contract costing, see contract costing just a format only, all are saying. Debit side full of expenses. Credit side if it is the first year, material returned or abnormal loss, then work in progress. Work certificate, work uncertified over. Profit or loss. Loss, not immediately loss. Profit and loss or profit. Then we have to identify percentage of completion. Chapter is over. 7 mark. And you know one thing, contract costing last 3 attempts, same question only repeating also for exam. Now coming into question 5. Actually, question 5 all one chapter only. Your chapter name process costing and joint and byproduct. That chapter. Either process costing will come or joint and byproduct. Next another area standard costing. Our recent MQP June 2025 ICMA released, they come up with 14 mark also for standard costing. So maybe for your exam 14 mark. Another super duper area is called marginal costing where you will get 14 mark. How interesting. See, marginal costing, one chapter you are getting 14 marks. My dear friends, here you have to chapter, how many chapters you have to learn to get 14 marks? Here, how many chapters you have to learn 14 marks? So, one chapter you are getting 14 marks. Then budgeting you are getting 7 marks. Budgeting you only mainly 3 budget, cash budget, production and raw material budget. Then finally fixed and flexible budget. That is. Then cost accounting started general theory we are coming. Now, question number 8 will be a choice question. That you are having theory. Sir, theory, do you want to learn? No, you have to learn 3 topics. Introduction chapter, material chapter, cost accounting chapter. From there only theory will come, no other chapter theory. So, my dear friends, if you learn strategically, you can able to plan properly. What I personally suggest is that theory, if you are, it will maybe you may not get full mark, you may get 6 out of. Yes, that is you may get 7. This is a 14 mark question only. So you will get 6 to 8 mark out of 14 only if you rate good. So what I personally suggest is that you can attend this material labor cost sheet question because you might have been learned. So don't worry, material you have to learn stock level EOQ model question. That is EOQ or stock level maximal level. Labor you have to learn focus on what? That consolidated question where it is coming Halsey, Rowan, Merrick, that consolidated question. Cost sheet is easy. So material cost sheet is coming, you are very lucky, 14 mark you can score. This area, it depends. If you are already strong in this area, you can make it. Or this you can left out choice. Or if you are good in this area, you can make this area you can left out in choice. Question because theory area. Because getting here 6 to 8 is good day. Here over a chapter alone, if you learn, you will get 7 marks. If in this area, some chapter you may feel easy, profit reconciliation, some fronts will be easy, some front job costing will be easy, some front tax costing will be easy, some fronts in your luck, if profit reconciliation question is coming, which you feel easy, overall anyway you prepared. So 7 plus 7, 14 mark, you got it. In theory, if you learn all these things, pakka, if you return also maximum, you will get 8. So what I'm suggesting is that you can learn this also, even if you not return this, overall you will get 7 mark. Here also, if you read 7 mark, overall also you will get 7 mark. So that is the strategy. Then here you can take over the question. See, this over the area. CAS one theory is coming. That is general theory. Even CAS, if you are not written, whatever you written, you can rate. But budgeting alone, if you written, you will get 7 marks. See, my dear friends, if you just take it these 5 chapters, if you take from overhead, operating costing, contract costing, budgeting, marginal costing, standard costing. See, standard costing, marginal costing, then process chapter. See what is the mark? 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 8 into 7. That is, you will get marginal costing 7. What is the mark, friends? This chapter alone, you are getting 56 mark. MCQ 30. Total, you are getting 86. Material labor cost sheet. Material labor cost sheet. If you are lucky, I know you might have been cost sheet, not everyone will be able to do. Material directly comes another 14 mark. See, strategy. You are getting the mark, my dear friends. 100 marks you are able to score. Believe. That is why we are coming up with lot of friends before this webinar by thinking that, sir, how many chapters? Now I am telling you, overhead, operating, contract, budgeting, marginal cost, and costing. This is 6 or 7 chapters. You are getting 86 mark. If you are already strong in cost sheet and material, getting 100 mark. This is how you have to do it. Sir, telling is easy. If a standard costing question is coming, how I will solve? I don't know standard costing. Sir, you are telling contract costing is easy, but I haven't got a very good class. What I will do? How I will score the mark? Don't worry, we have a solution for you. We are coming with a marathon session for you, friends. For the benefit of students, we at Eduhome Connect is coming with a free marathon for you from Saturday onwards. We are coming to you. So you can able to get best out of it. We are coming you cost accounting. We'll discuss contract costing all the previous year question how to crack. We'll discuss standard costing all the question. We'll discuss marginal costing all the question. If you require, we have already some previous year question on material and also we'll share it so that you can able to crack it. Because we want to ensure your group one, if you are passed, if you done very well, then you never end, you will enter after completing your CMA only. Because with the confidence will give you a positive. Okay, anyway, I have passed the group one, I will complete my group two. So you will come into final level. The moment you enter into final level, then you will think of let's complete this course. We, Eduhome is there for you, friends. We are there for you to support. It's a free marathon for the students as a part of our CSR activity. You can just join the scan QR code and you can able to register. Or you can visit our YouTube page. We'll give updates of all these marathon in our YouTube page. We'll also update it. So, my dear friends, we'll discuss the cube concept revision, high weightage question, paper specific strategies, some decoding strategies also for you. Tricks and all I have already discussed. Now, some friends will think that, sir, MCQ, what you do? 15 mark MCQ. 15 mark MCQ, my dear friends, for group 1 level, your study material backfeed, minimum 6 to 7 questions is coming. So, that our study material backside MCQ paper. Balance questions are coming problem oriented. If you know marginal costing problem, they are asking PV ratio, apply there you will get the answer. If you know how to compute material price variance, they are asking you apply, you will get the mark. That is, you can easily score it. Still, if you feel difficulty, in our Eduhome Connect website, as majority of you know, we have a separate portal for MCQ where we are giving all the study material, everything chapter wise for you. If you go through visit our website, you will get everything. There also you can able to get free of cost. You can get different plans are there based upon your affordability and time plan. You can able to choose it. We are coming with lot of free resources for students. You can get MTP, RTP, everything from here. All the webinar of different subjects. If you are preparing for other subjects, all these webinars keep on adding in here. Then if you go for test video sessions also there. If you go for test we are coming with intermediate. You can go with cost accounting, whatever subjects if you want to go, you can click here. Brown's plan, 0 pace. No, we can plan 2 3 chapters of the MCQ. You can take chapter wise also, grand MCQ also. What is the grand MCQ? In grand MCQ, in exam we'll get mixing of all the chapters. Yes, that experience only grand MCQ also. If you want all the benefit, you can upgrade for silver plan also. But I feel exams are near. The study material backside, bronze plan is enough for you. Don't want to invest at this 10 days for the exam. If you are thinking for December, you can go for a better plan where we are giving it for what? Written test support, one-to-one support, personal mentor, everything we are giving. See, now I am talking to you over a social media. Now, when it comes to premium plan, we are there for you to directly to your mobile or at your home. To your home. That is why Eduhome, education through your home. So, my dear friends, don't worry. We can make that the word letter is within your pocket. We want to make you that you are getting completed this attempt. We have one attempt. That attempt we have to make it that we are getting passed. In this page, you can get lot of resources. If you want to get lot of MTP, RTP, everything you can get here. You can select the subjects. You can get MTP, test answer, question paper. All these area you can able to get it. This is a very good platform. In this platform, you can get all the test benefit also. Please experience it. Please go through that. You can also book for an appointment. Our team will connect you also. So this is how you have to do it. So my dear friends, in this 10 days for your exam, and that also in this evening time, back to back webinar, back to get marathon. We are also tired, but we won't stop it until your June 18th because we are there until your June exam for you to support. The entire team of faculty, support staff, everyone is ready to support you. So what you have to do? You have to work very well. You have to prepare very well. We are there. So my dear friends, I have given you this exam decoding idea. chapter-wise strategies to prepare very well. If you want to get rest of the subjects exam decoding series, you can go through the Telegram page or you can go through the WhatsApp channel. You will get all these updates. You can fill the marathon session if you're interested also. So please support us. We are there for you. We want to make you pass this time. All the best, my dear friends. Signing off, Mohd Asthaf, your faculty for Eduhome.